Alright, so in a scalp here on gold. What day is it? It's Thursday. So this is just the idea here. So this is where I'm seeing the downtrend started. We got the lock for the downtrend around here, and this would be a continuation trade. So we got the direction from the 15, and we are getting structure from the 5. It's kind of a bit consolidating here, but it did break the level here and it came back, and then found resistance up here because it did not hold it here, so it found resistance here, and we got in for a quick scalp after we saw some candlestick price action forming around here, some rejection, then the star pattern, and we entered it going down here. So risking 10 pips, looking to make about 14. So we entered the trade around like 9 or 10 o'clock. So about 10 o'clock. Yeah, so about 10 o'clock, because kind of just entered it at market once price got here. So I'm gonna leave it and see what it do. Well, whoop-de-doo. So we have a win off of this from this scalp here on gold. So just to go over it again as we did in the first part of the video, this was the idea. So I put this arrow here to say this is where the downtrend started. We got the lock here, and this would have been a continuation. So it would have been coming off of this uptrend that started from down here and it reversed here. So yeah, these are just mini 15-minute trends. So we found the trend on the 15, direction on the 15, and then went on the 5 to look for structure, and we had marked this up here while we have this zone. So our resistance zone here, originally this would have been our swing point if it would have been like a limit order from here, but those aren't really working out well for me, so I just went back to just using the candlestick pattern. So that works better for me, and that works better for the strategy. So I mean, it would have been here, but it wouldn't have paid out. So yeah, have this zone here, price with this big candle just shoot all the way up here, but luckily it did not take out this swing, so we're still in the sell model for that. So when we entered on the 1 minute, following the star pattern, entered it down here, just to make sure that we had a good level, and had this 10 pip stop targeting 14. So our target on this trade was 1.4 R, so risked 1 to get 1.4, and we got that in an hour and 10 minutes. The first time it did come down here within the first like half an hour, but look, it just did that, like, and it did it when I was not looking and the alert didn't get triggered, so I had to wait and hold it throughout this, and I was getting frustrated. I was gonna close it because an hour had passed when it reached here, but then I said, you know, I'm giving it 30 more minutes. Gave it 30 more minutes, and price finally came here at 11:08, and we finally got out of that trade. And then as soon as it touched 1.4, it boom reverse. Although it's looking like if you did go for 1.5, it would have been close. Yeah, you'd have gotten 1.5 R, but in this case I was going for the 1.4. So 1.5 R, 1.5 R or less, it would have been good. So we're done. We're done. Don't need to do anything else for the day. I'm kind of tired, anyways, mentally. So that's it. Continuation trade. Yeah. Had to wait a while, but didn't have much drawdown on that one, and it was really good. I love the entry. Star pattern. Once you reach that resistance level, I almost took it out. So close. As soon as you rejected that, farm that, enter there. No drawdown. Alright, so that's it. Peace out.